How to fix CapCut no internet connection problem on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you can do is open any other app such as YouTube, Instagram or Facebook and check whether it is working or not. If these apps are also not working, then it might be the issue in your internet connection. For that, what you can do is open your settings. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, open it. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on forget this network and rejoin it. Likewise, you can give fresh restart to your router. In the case you are connected to mobile data, open this option of mobile service. Open the option mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low data mode. Likewise, open this option voice and data. Check in for the option of 4G or 5G. Likewise, head back. Open the option of network selection. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of automatic. Likewise, what you can do is switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. After you check these settings, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. But in the case other apps are working properly, what you can do is scroll down, open the option screen time, open the option content and privacy restrictions, toggle off for this option of content and privacy restrictions. Likewise, head back, go to the main page of settings, open the option general, head towards the option of background app refresh, toggle off for the option of CapCut and again toggle it on. Likewise, head back to the main page of settings, go to the option general, open the option iPhone storage. From here, find the app CapCut, open it, click on upload app, click on upload app, click on reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, head back. Scroll down, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix no internet connection on CapCut on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.